SendGrid and ActiveCampaign are two of the most popular email platforms out there, each offering a range of features for marketing and automation. But when it comes to powerful automation, which one truly stands out? In this video, we're diving into a side-by-side comparison of SendGrid versus ActiveCampaign to see which offers more robust, user-friendly automation. Stick around until the end, where I'll share an even better alternative that could save you time and boost your email game. Let's start with the basics. Both SendGrid and ActiveCampaign offer email marketing automation, but the level of sophistication varies. SendGrid is known for its simplicity and reliability, especially when it comes to email delivery. It's great for transactional emails and is often used for developers and businesses that need a scalable solution without the complexity. But when it comes to advanced automation, SendGrid doesn't quite have the same depth of features as ActiveCampaign. Next thing, let's talk about workflows. ActiveCampaign offers a drag-and-drop visual automation builder that lets you design complex workflows with ease. This is perfect for those who want to map out customer journeys, trigger emails based on actions, and create personalized experiences. You can segment contacts based on behavior and tailor messages accordingly. SendGrid, on the other hand, offers more basic automation triggers like welcome emails or abandoned cart reminders, but it's not as flexible when compared to ActiveCampaign's multi-step workflows. Now, let's look at segmentation. ActiveCampaign is a powerhouse in this area. You can segment your audience based on specific actions, interests, behaviors, and even predictive analytics. This allows you to send highly targeted emails to the right people at the right time. SendGrid's segmentation features are more basic. While you can create segments, the lack of advanced filtering options means your campaigns might not be as personalized as they could be. Another thing to consider is reporting and analytics. ActiveCampaign goes beyond just open and click rates by offering detailed reports on subscriber activity, automation performance, and even goals tracking. This helps you make data-driven decisions and optimize your campaigns over time. SendGrid offers basic reporting, but it doesn't give you the level of insight that ActiveCampaign does, especially when it comes to deeper analysis of your automation workflows. The fourth thing to mention is the ease of use. SendGrid, with its developer-friendly approach, can feel a bit clunky for marketers who prefer an intuitive interface. ActiveCampaign, however, is known for its user-friendly design. Whether you're new to email marketing or a seasoned pro, the learning curve is less steep with ActiveCampaign. But before we wrap up, let's address the elephant in the room. Both platforms offer powerful features, but they're not perfect. While SendGrid excels in email deliverability, its automation tools feel limited compared to ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign is an automation powerhouse, but it comes with a higher price tag, and its extensive features might overwhelm smaller businesses. So, which one is better for automation? If you're looking for simple email marketing with reliable delivery, SendGrid is a solid choice. But if you want powerful, advanced automation that truly personalizes your campaigns, ActiveCampaign is the clear winner, though it may be overkill for smaller businesses or those just starting. That said, after trying both of these platforms, I found a better alternative. If you want more powerful automation without the hassle, I highly recommend checking out the link in the description for a free trial. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't settle for less when it comes to growing your email marketing. Try it for free today and see the difference for yourself.